I like this one. Hold this so I can.
Okay.
Yeah, pull that sleeve more. Yeah, now. I know how to do it. I've been doing.
Yeah, you've been doing this crap for a long time, huh?
I like the color and where
Yeah,
older
yeah.
man.
I remember when you bought this. You always, you went to that store and you
Take
would
that
get.
other jacket.
And there's your go-go juice.
I thank you, madame. You.
Hey,
Oh, that's all right. That's enough. Oh, I feel so much better today.
Oh, good.
I feel alive.
I feel better, oh so better. I feel better and better and better.
Must be the go-go juice.
Yeah.
Boy, today I bet 1,000 times I had eyes, nose.
Running.
Yep. I'm gonna put it in a pocket.